Hi there and welcome to another Mini Park Lane video. My name is Ali and I'm here today to talk to you about Mini Protect X. Here we will explain what Protect X is, show you how it's applied and why it's so important for you to keep your Mini looking as good as the day you collected it. We hope you find this video useful, and to see more of our Mini videos, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. We will put all the links for anything in this video in the description below, including ways to get in touch with us for more information. For more Mini videos, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Thank you for watching.